I rise to bring to the notice of this August House regarding the long-standing political issue of the constituency which I represent. That is, number 3 autonomous district as the parliamentary constituency is full scheduled area administered by 2 autonomous council, namely Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Dima Hasao Autonomous Council. Sir, the government of Assam has minimum role as far as development matters are concerned in this area, but the council themselves do not enjoy the status and financial resource of normal state. This means that the council have assumed the responsibility of a state, but agencies like the Niti Aayog and the Finance Commission have no mandate to make exclusive grant and allocation for this area. As a result, the council are presently facing 70% revenue deficit, and at the rupees of 3,900 per capita, Karbi Anglong has the lowest per capita planned investment in the entire Northeast. The unique contradiction could not be resolved during the past 40 years, causing unmitigated civil strife, conflict and violence. Subsequently, peace accord like the tripartite MOU in 1995 and MOS in 2011. So the solution is provided in the Constitution itself and has been since 1969. So, and significantly, sir, the BJP leader have been consistently supporting the implementation of Article 244A, as evident from the fact that Mr. Daden Deputy Prime Minister L.K. Advani, while addressing the public meeting at Khaironi, and issued that if BJP came into power, they would consider the implementation of Article 244. And likewise, in 2004,
I, Sri Amar Singh Tiso, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.